Hi everyone, welcome to Kitchen Close-Ups with Carolyn and Cindy. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Cindy.
She's doing our filming for us today. Today we are making what we call chicks on a stick. And this is going to be what it's going to look like. Aren't they adorable? So what we're looking at the ingredients. This is a Nutter Butter peanut butter cookie, just one, and Reese pieces for his feet. Let me see, for his feet, and then a half of one for his beak, and one of them cut in half for his little wings. And then his eyes are the mini chocolate chips right there, and his feathers, if you will, the covering on his body is actually, Cindy found buttercream icing that's already yellow, or you can use white and maybe put some yellow food coloring in it, but I thought this turned out really good. So we have a little bit of everything here, and let's get started on making one. All right, so I'm going to put our end product right over here. I'm going to get, and of course we've already washed our hands. I'm going to get a Nutter Butter peanut butter sandwich cookie, and we're going to open it up like this, and on the inside we're going to start off by putting a little bit of icing inside of here for two reasons. One, so that the stick will stay, and two, to kind of puff it up just a little bit so the candy pieces can stay in there. Okay, so to make that just like that. And then you've got your popsicle stick. Whoops, we don't need all that. So I'm going to put some on the popsicle stick on both sides, just so it will help to stay in there a little better. All right. And we're going to put that in there about a third to a half of the way down. And then we're going to put the top on there. And if you can see how the extra icing in there lifted the distance between the cookie a little bit, so we could get this in, and then it also provides a little area for the candy pieces to go in. Now, if you want to, and we found that this helps a little better, however many you're going to make, go ahead and make those, and then put them in the refrigerator for a little while and let this icing firm up some. Okay, so here we are back again. We just pulled this out of the refrigerator, and now we're going to icing it. Let's see. And let me turn it on my way so that I can. And use whatever you have to spread your icing. I even use my fingers on one of them. So whatever works. You're the one that's going to be eating it. So let's see, we're just going to put a little icing on it. And you just need the icing on one side. You can put it on the other side, but for this, we're just going to put it on the one side. And then actually, I have a little cup of water over here. I'm going to dip my spreader into to make it a little more smooth. And then you really want to contour it to the cookie so that the chick has a little shape to her, or him. Okay. All right, so then you have the base of your chick. And now, let's see, I guess we will do orange for the beak. You just want to cut your Reese Piece in half. And we have our chocolate chips. So let's put his eyes on for the chocolate chips. And another one for there. And do I need to turn it around so they can see it a little better?
That's good, yeah.
And now we're going to put the little beak on. And let's use yellow for his feet. You can use whatever color you want to. I'm just trying to make him colorful. There's his little feet. And then we will do yellow for his little wings. Again, I need to cut this in half. Oh, very good. And we are going to put this into, and this is where it was helping that we put that extra icing in there, because it makes a little space to put the wings on. Okay, and here's our finished product. We hope you enjoyed making your chicks on a stick.